am going to discuss about the solution of non-homogeneous linear equation with constant coefficient. Before watching the further video, do like, share and subscribe my channel. So let us start now. The general solution of non-homogeneous linear equation. What is the general solution? Y equals to yc plus yp. So this is the general solution. What is the general solution? Y equals to yp, y equals to yc plus yp. So this is the general solution of non-homogeneous linear equation. Now we find yc, that is complementary function. How we can find the complementary function? By taking yp equals to f of d into y, which is equals to 0. F of d into y, which is equals to 0. So for finding a particular integral, what is yp? Yp equals to f1 by f of d into q of x. Now in case 1 there are two bits. Let us discuss one by one. So first bit, if q equals to e power ax, listen here, q equals to e power ax, then what is yp? That is particular integral. So here yp equals to 1 by f of d into e power ax, which is equals to, now here we are taking in the place of d a, we are taking here a. So 1 by f of a into e power ax, if f of a not equals to 0. Now coming to second bit, if f of a equals to 0. So here f of a equals to 0. Then yp equals to 1 by pi of a into x power k by k factorial into e power ax, where k is the power of repeated 0 factor. So here k is the power of repeated 0 factor. So that means k is repeated here. Now let us solve few sums based on each cases which we have discussed earlier. So here remember the cases thoroughly, so it would be easy to solve the sums. Listen here question. Solve y triple dash plus 2 into y double dash minus y dash minus 2y, which is equals to e power 2x. So given equation is y triple dash plus 2y double dash minus y dash minus 2y, which is equals to e power 2x. Now we should write this in the operator form. So what is the operator form here? F of d into y equals to d cube y triple dash means d cube y triple dash means d cube plus 2d square minus d minus 2 into whole y, which is equals to e power 2x, which is equals to e power 2x is given. So now f of d equals to 0. So that implies here d cube plus 2d square minus d minus 2, which is equals to 0. So after operator form, we have to write this equation in the form of auxiliary form. In the auxiliary form. So auxiliary equation is f of m equals to 0. So that implies here m cube plus 2m square minus m minus 2 equals to 0. Now we can solve this equation by synthetic division method. According to synthetic division method, here m cube means 1, 2m square 2, next minus m minus 1, next minus 2. So what is the suitable root we can take here? M equals to 1. So m equals to 1 is the suitable root for this equation. So here 0, 1 plus 0, how much? 1. 1 1 za 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 1 za 3. Minus 1 plus 3, how much? Plus 2. Now 2 1 za 2. Minus 2 plus 2, how much? 0. So what is the auxiliary equation we got here? So that implies here m square plus 3m plus 2, which is equals to 0. Now let us find the roots of this equation. So what we got here, equation m square plus 3m plus 2. So how we can factorize here? M square plus 2m plus m. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2m plus m, how much? 3m. 2 1s are 2. Plus 2, which is equals to 0. So that implies what we can take here common? M. M into m square plus 2 into m. 2m. Now what we can take here common? 1. 1 into m plus as it is 1 into 2, 2, which is equals to 0. So that implies n plus 1 into n plus 2 is common, n plus 2 equals to 0. So that implies what are the roots here? M equals to minus 1 comma minus 2. Therefore here what are the roots of this equation? M equals to 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 2. Therefore the roots are real and distinct. So therefore what is y complement complementary function? Yc equals to c1 e power minus 2x plus c2 into e power minus x plus c3 into e power x. Now we have to find particular integral. So for finding particular integral, what is the formula here? Yp equals to, now we are finding a particular integral. So yp equals to 1 by f of d into e power ax. So that implies here yp equals to 1 by f of d. What is f of d here? D cube plus 2d square minus d minus 2 into e power ax means what is given in the question? E power 2x. So in the place of e power ax, what we have to take here? E power 2x. So according to case 1, what we have discussed earlier here, in the place of d, what we have to substitute? A. So 1 by f of a into e power. So 1 by f of a into e power ax. Now, so yp equals to 1 by f of a into e power ax according to case 1. So here, so that implies here yp equals to, in the place of d we have to substitute a. So 1 by, so what is a here? A means 2. 2 cube. In the place of d we are substituting a. Listen carefully ma. Here in the place of d we are substituting a. What is a here? A means 2. A equals to 2. So d cube plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 into e power 2x common, since a equals to 2 and d equals to a. For your easy understanding, I am giving here, since a equals to 2, d means d equals to a here. Now, so that implies 1 by 2 cube means how much? 8. Plus 2 into 2 square means 2 into 4. How much? 8. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 into e power 2x as it is. So that implies here yp equals to 1 by how much? 8 plus 8? 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4 how much? 12. 1 by 12 into e power 2x. So this is the particular integral. So what is the particular integral here? Yp equals to 1 by 12 into e power 2x. Therefore, general solution is, what is the general solution? Y equals to, what is the formula of general solution here? Y equals to yc plus yp. So that implies here y equals to yc. How much yc value? How much yc we got? Complementary function yc equals. So y equals to complementary function. How much? c1 into e power minus 2x plus c2 into e power minus x plus c3 into e power x plus what is yp here? What is the particular integral? 1 by 12 into e power 2x. So this is the solution. This is about case 1, first bit. Let's discuss one more summa. What is given here? Solve. What is the question given here? Solve y double dash plus 3y dash plus 2y, which is equals to 12 into e power x. So given equation is y double dash plus 3y dash plus 2y equals to 12 e power x. Now first we have to write this in the operator form. F of d into y equals to, so what is given in the question? Y double dash means d square plus 3y dash 3d plus 2 into whole y, which is equals to 12 into e power x. So now f of d equals to d square plus 3d plus 2 equals to 0. So this is the operator form. This is the operator form. After writing the operator form, we have to write this equation in the auxiliary form. So auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? auxiliary equation is f of m equals to 0. We are substituting d equals to m. So m square plus 3m plus 2 equals to 0. So now let us factorize this. How we can factorize this equation? M square plus 2m plus m plus 2 equals to 0. So that implies, so what is common here? M. M into m plus 2 plus 1. 1 into m plus 2 which is equals to 0. So here m plus 2 is common. So that implies here m plus 1 into m plus 2 which is equals to 0. So what are the roots here? So that implies roots equals to m equals to minus 1 comma minus 2. These are the roots of the equation. So therefore here roots are distinct, means roots are different here. So therefore complementary function. So what is a complementary function here? Roots are different means yc equals to c1 into e power minus 2x plus c2 into e power minus x. So roots are different means this is the complementary function. Be thorough with the formulas. Next, now we have to find a particular integral. So yp equals to, what is the formula here? Yp equals to 1 by f of t into e power ax. So that implies here yp equals to, what is f of t here? 1 by d square plus 3d plus 2 into 12 into e power x. So in the place of e power ax, what we have to take? 12 into e power x. So which is equals to, now we have to take 12 here. 12 into 1 by d square plus 3d plus 2 into e power x. In the place of d, what we have to substitute? A. So here since d equals to a, next a equals to 1. E power what is given here? X means 1. A equals to 1. So that implies here yp equals to 1 by f of a into e power ax. So now here yp equals to 1 by, in the place of t what we are substituting here? A. So what is a? What is the value of a here? 1. So 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 2. So yp equals to, here 12 is there, no? So yp equals to 12 into 1 by 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 2 into e power x as it is, which is equals to 12 into 1 by 1 plus 3 plus 2. How much? 6. 6 into 1 by 6 into e power x. So here 6 ones are 6 twos are, which is equals to 2 into e power x. So what is yp here? What is the particular integral? Yp equals to 2 into e power x. Now we got yp also. So now what is the general solution? Therefore general solution is y equals to yc plus yp. Y equals to complementary function plus particular integral. So that implies here. So what is yc? c1 into e power minus 2x plus c2 into e power minus x plus what is yp ma? 2 into e power x. 2 into e power x. So this is the solution. This is all about case 1 first bit. Now let us discuss sum based on case 1 second bit. So what is given here? Solve d square plus 2d plus 1 whole into y, whole equation into y, which is equals to e power minus x. Given equation is d square plus 2d plus 1 whole into y, which is equals to e power minus x. So operator form. What is the operator form here? F of d equals to 0. So that implies here d square plus 2d plus 1, which is equals to 0. Now we have to write this equation in the auxiliary form. So auxiliary form A is f of m, which is equals to 0. So that implies here m square plus 2m plus 1, which is equals to 0. So how we can write this equation? It is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b whole square. So we can write this equation in the form of m plus 1 whole square, which is equals to 0. So that implies here m plus 1 into m plus 1, which is equals to 0. So what are the roots here? M equals to minus 1 comma minus 1. So here, what are the roots here? M equals to minus 1 comma minus 1. Listen here, ma. Here roots are repeating. These roots are equal. So what is the complementary function here? Yc equals to e power minus x into c1 plus c2x. So now we got complementary function. Now what we have to find? Now we got complementary function. Now what we have to find, ma? Particular integral. So yp equals to 1 by f of t into e power ax. So that implies here yp equals to, what is f of t? D square plus 2d plus 1 into e power ax means e power minus x. So here e power ax means what we can take here? E power minus x. According to case 1, second bit here. What is second bit here? Yp equals to 1 by pi of a into x power k by k factorial into e power ax. This is the formula. When we should take this formula? If roots are repeating here. If roots are repeating means what is the particular integral? Yp equals to 1 by pi of a into x power k by k factorial into e power ax. Now, so that implies here yp equals to, so 1 by d square plus 2d plus, how we can write it this here? D plus 1 whole square into e power minus x. So that implies, so which is equals to e power minus x by d plus 1 whole square, which is equals to yp. So that implies here yp equals to e power minus x into x power k. K means what here? 2 x square. Since k equals to 2, so x square by k means what for 2? 2 factorial. So what is yp here? So what is the particular integral? E power minus x into x square by 2 factorial. This is the particular integral. Now therefore general solution equals to yc plus yp. So that implies here y equals to, what is the complementary function, ma? E power minus x into c1 plus c2x plus, what is the particular integral? Plus e power minus x into x square by 2 factorial. 2 factorial means 2 only. So x square by 2. This is the solution. Now let us solve one more sum based on second bit, case 2, that is solve, what is given here? Solve d cube minus 5d square plus 8d minus 4 whole equation into y equals to e power 2x. So given equation is d cube minus 5d square plus 8d minus 4 whole equation into y, which is equals to e power 2x. So we should write this equation into operator form. D cube minus 5d square plus 8d minus 4, which is equals to 0. Now this equation can be written in the auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation is f of m equals to 0. So that implies here m cube minus 5m square plus 8m minus 4, which is equals to 0. Now we can solve this equation by applying synthetic division method. So according to synthetic division method, what is given here? M cube means 1 minus 5, 8 minus 4. So according to this, what is the suitable root here? M equals to 1. So now here 0, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 ones are 1. Minus 5, minus 5 plus 1, minus 4. Minus 4 into 1, how much? Minus 4. Plus 8 minus 4, how much? 4. 4 ones are 4. So minus 4 plus 4 will be 0. What we got here? Equation m square minus 4m plus 4 equals to 0. This is the equation. So this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equals to 0. How we can write this equation? A minus b whole square. So that means, so that implies here m minus 2 whole square, which is equals to 0. So that implies m minus 2 whole square means m minus 2 into m minus 2, which is equals to 0. So what are the roots here? M equals to 2 comma 2. So what are the roots here? M equals to 1, comma 2, comma 2. So here roots are equal now. So here therefore the roots are real and equal. Means what is the complementary function? Yc equals to c1 into e power x. Means here 1 is there, e power x plus c2, yc equal to c1 into e power x plus c2 plus c3x into e power 2x. So this is the complementary function when roots are real and equal. Next what we have to find? Particular integral. So yp equals to 1 by f of t into e power ax. So that implies yp equals to f of d means what ma? So d cube, what is f of d? D cube minus 5d square plus 8d minus 4 into e power ax means what we have to take here? E power 2x. So that implies here ip equals to 1 by, so according to case 2, how we can write this now? 1 by d cube minus 5d square plus 8d minus 4 into e power 2x. This can be written as 1 by d minus 1 into d minus 2 whole square. D minus 1 into, because here m equals to 1, so m minus 1. So what is the root here? M minus 2 whole square. So d minus 2 whole square into e power 2x. Yp equals to, now we have to substitute d in the place of d. What we have to substitute? A. A means what is the value of a here? Since d equals to a, so here a equals to 2. So 1 by 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 whole square into e power 2x. Listen here ma. According to case 2, what is the formula for yp? What is yp? Yp equals to 1 by pi of a into x power k by k factorial into e power a. So how we can write here? Yp equals to 2 minus 1 into, here what is k ma? K means 2. X square by 2 factorial into e power ax means e power 2x. Since k equals to 2, according to the formula we have considered 2 minus 1 as pi of a. So that implies here yp equals to 1 by 2 minus 1 means how much? 1 by 1 into x square by 2 factorial means how much? 2 only into e power 2x into e power 2x. So that implies yp equals to x square by 1 means 1 only. X square by 2 into e power 2x. This is the particular integral. So yp equals to, what is the particular integral? Yp equals to x square by 2 into e power 2x. Just we are taking, according to the formula, we are taking 2 minus 1 as pi of a. So now we got yc and yp. Now what we have to do? Now therefore general solution is y equals to yc plus yp. So that implies y equals to, what is yc ma? c1 into e power x plus c2 plus c3x into e power 2x plus, what is yp ma here? X square by 2 into e power 2x. This is the solution.